a glowing skin was only a woman's top priority. These days everyone yearns for a soft, smoother, and of course, blemish-free glowing skin. Create some easy home remedies that promise to give you glowing skin. 1. Turmeric. Turmeric is a powerful antioxidant that helps in achieving wonderful glow. Mix about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder with a cup of gram flour. Add enough milk, water and mix well to form a smooth paste. Now, add a few drops of rose water and mix again. Apply this paste on your face and neck and leave on till it dries. Then, rinse with cool water. 2. Honey. Honey is a great moisturizer and helps to keep the skin well hydrated and ensures spotless skin. You can directly apply honey on your face and neck area, but ensure that your skin is clean and damp. Massage for a few minutes, allowing it to get absorbed by the skin. Now, wash off with lukewarm water. 3. Olive oil. Olive oil acts as an antioxidant for the skin. It helps in preventing early aging of the skin. Every night before hitting the bed, take a few drops of olive oil and apply all over your face and neck. Massage in an upward direction for about 2 to 3 minutes. 4. Orange juice. Oranges are known to be brimming with vitamin C and help in detoxification. A glassful of orange juice daily helps to clean the complexion and rejuvenate the skin in no time. Take a few pieces of orange peel and grind it with a few drops of rose water to make a smooth paste. Apply this paste all over your face and rinse after 15 minutes with cool water. 5. Milk. Milk controls the level of tyrosine in the skin and promotes a skin full of glow. Raw milk is one of the easiest accessible ingredients for getting good-looking skin. You can apply raw milk to your skin or mix it with any other ingredients and form a paste. 6. Bessen. Bessen or gram flour acts as a natural exfoliator and helps in removing dead skin cells. You don't need to buy fancy cosmetics or face packs off the shelves. Bessen works wonders by bringing to surface a healthier and newer skin. Bessen is used by mixing it with water, milk, or any other ingredients. It is applied like a pack on the skin. Sometimes, sugar is also added to help in exfoliation. 7. Cucumber. Dry skin, chapped skin, dark circles? Cucumber has the same pH level as that of our skin. It helps in replenishing the skin's protective layer. Keeps the skin hydrated, thus promoting glowing skin. You can put slices of cucumber on your eyes as they show in all the magazines and televisions. You can also put cucumber in a mixer grinder and apply the juice. 8. Papaya. This one comes with a secret beauty ingredient, papain. Papaya helps in removing inactive protein cells and dead skin cells. It gives wonderful results and keeps the skin looking young and healthy with a beautiful glow. Papaya can be put in a mixer grinder too, and the paste can be applied generously on the skin. 9. Aloe Vera. Aloe vera keeps skin glowing and soft. Aloe vera application on the skin helps to keep skin hydrated. Improves elasticity and prevents the development of wrinkles. You can make aloe vera juice at home or add aloe vera gel to smoothies and other drinks. It can also be applied directly on the skin. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. Then rinse your skin with cool water and pat dry. 10. Lemon. Lemons are rich in vitamin C and citric acid. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant. It also helps to lighten our skin tone and moisturize our skin. Lemons are antibacterial and prevent infections and acne. They also detox our body. Drinking a glass of lemonade every day boosts immunity. Detoxifies our body and keeps our skin glowing and hydrated. Make a solution of lemon juice and water in the ratio of 2 to 3 and gently apply on your skin using cotton. Leave for 10 minutes and wash with cool water. 11. Coconut oil. Coconut oil is rich in antioxidants and fatty acids. It reduces inflammation and does wonders for almost all skin types. It is an excellent moisturizer, cleanser and sunscreen. Regular massage with lukewarm coconut oil keeps our skin glowing and healthy. 12. Saffron. Saffron is excellent for our skin. Saffron makes our skin smooth and lightens dark circles. Add a few strands of saffron in water and leave for 5 to 10 minutes. Then add this water to milk or honey or turmeric for making different types of face masks. Apply on the skin for 5 to 10 minutes and then wash with cold water. So, which remedy are you trying out today? If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, subscribe to the channel.